Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a custom planner in Canva. This is great if you want to stay organized, or even create planners to sell online. First, open Canva on your computer, and in the search bar, type Planner. Canva will show you lots of ready-to-use templates like daily planners, weekly planners, and monthly planners. Scroll through and pick a design that matches your style. Once the template opens in the editor, you can start customizing. Click on any text to change the headings. For example, you might rename sections to to-do list, priorities, or notes. You can also adjust the fonts, colors, and layouts to make it feel personal if you want to add extra elements. Go to the Elements tab on the left. Here you can drag in shapes, icons, or decorative graphics to make your planner more creative. For example, you could add checkboxes, stickers, or little motivational icons. You can also add multiple pages. On the left sidebar, click Add Page and build out sections for daily, weekly, or monthly planning. This way, your planner can be as simple or detailed as you need. When you're finished, click Share in the top right. You can download it as a PDF for printing or save it as an image to use digitally on your tablet or phone. And that's it. Your personalized planner is ready. It's made entirely in Canva.